Se puede obtener interpretación en español a través del enlace en las notas. My name is Naseem Mandalia. I am the Curriculum Specialist for Mathematics for the Anaheim Elementary School District. Today we'll be talking about MyMath and STMath. For asynchronous math learning, your teachers will be pushing out math through Google Classroom or Seesaw. When students want to log into MyMath, they should go to the student portal and click on McGraw-Hill for their MyMath resources. MyMath goes from K through 6. The 6th grade book is called California Math. We're going to go ahead and take a look online into our MyMath resources. When you log into your MyMath account, you will click on Launch. And once you get into your Student Center, you can click on the ebook to get into your student book. Use the table of contents to go to the chapter and the lesson you want to view. The ebook will allow you to annotate by using a pen. And these annotations are viewable to your teacher. You also have access to a variety of tools at the bottom of your page. You can watch videos that apply to the lesson. You can launch virtual manipulatives. And you can play games. In your Student Center, you also have access to a lot of lesson resources. If you click on the chapter and the lesson and go to the right to lesson resources, you'll see that there are virtual manipulatives, videos, assessments, and worksheets that go with your lesson. There are also a few games. Here are some icons you'll see when you're in the MyMath program. The blue play button is the watch, purple is tutor, the green is tools, your red check mark is for checking or assessments, and there's an e-help button. There's a vocabulary button, and the ones in the middle, the paper, is actually any documents that you have access to. The plus is more if there are any additional items, and the green on the bottom is game. We also have a new version of STMath available to us. The new STMath has a lot for you to see at home. You will log into STMath using the student portal and clicking on the GG icon. When you log into the GG icon, this is what you'll see. When you log in, you'll see 3 pathways. There'll be the house pathway, the journey pathway, and the history pathway. If your teacher has assigned anything to you, you will be able to click in here and go into the assignments pathway. Once you're in the pathway, you'll see My Classes or Just for Me. And then you will see assignments that your teacher has given you. If there's nothing in the assignments pathway, go straight to your journey. Your journey will bring you to your grade level content. Once you're in, remember to always click on the orange rectangle. The orange rectangle will get you to the game that you need to be playing. Once Gigi makes it to the top, you will be ready to play. Remember that now after you put in your answer, you will have to click on the red Go button. You also have access to a lot of information. In the game menu, you will be able to see the number of puzzles that are in the game. You will also be able to see your progress. And in the Start landing page, you'll be able to see how many minutes and how many puzzles you've completed for the week. This year, the new GG offers lots of animation to help us with answers that are correct or incorrect. You also have a lot of tools available to you. You can replay your game by clicking on the pause button above and replaying something that you played. You also have an annotation tool. You can annotate on your answer to determine whether you answered correctly or not. This school year, you'll be able to keep track of all the puzzles you've collected and how many objectives you've conquered. You'll also be able to see your weekly puzzles collected and time spent, as well as your previous week and an average. I did get a lot of questions from parents about how they could help at home. This is a great tool for you to use to help your students because there are no verbal directions for ST Math. When your students pull up their game, ask them, what do you notice about the game before even starting anything? Then ask them, let's make a prediction. What do you think will happen if I press on these bars? What do you think is happening on the other side? Make some prediction. Then click on your answer and analyze what's happening. What will happen when these boxes end up above the three boxes on the bottom? Are they joining? Will they be the same length as the open boxes? And then make some connections. When I moved the 5 boxes above the 3 boxes, it's like an addition problem. 5 plus 3 equals 8, and there were 8 openings on the other side. Thank you for watching this presentation. For any questions about math, you may contact me, Naseem Mandalia, in Curriculum and Instruction.